Ooh, wow.
It's me. I'm itchy, sorry. Guys, it's me. You're annoyed, I know. It's been so long, guys. I suck at filming, like, really bad. And everybody knows that. But I've just been really busy and stressed and tired that I just don't have time to film. And when I do have time to film, I'm asleep. I've been waiting for Halloween for literally since I've started this channel. This is like the time when like just art just thrives. Like,
I wanna eat your dick. Are you funny?
that. Okay, I'm like, Mom, it's really not that deep. I can just cut it out. It's just my daily makeup tutorial. My daily makeup routine. And I need to hurry up because this intro is 3 minutes long. I'm gonna get on with the video. Okay, thank you for clicking on this video. Bye. Oh, I just realized this is like the second time you've seen me with my lighter hair, which is not good because I've had my lighter hair for like 2 months now, I think, and I've uploaded one video since then. I already did my base because I just got back from school and I don't feel like taking this off. So if it looks shitty, I'm sorry. I'm lazy. And this isn't even like what's gonna be like. Damn, my base looks atrocious. Damn, maybe this will help. We're gonna cover it anyway, so I think we'll be okay, right? But we're gonna start with eyeshadow. Also, is it even a Maria the tortilla video if my nails don't look disgusting? We're just gonna, you don't even care. Okay, let's get on with the video. We're gonna start with eyeshadow first. Yeah, and we're gonna use the Jacqueline palette that we use. My dog is so rude. Okay, I'm going to take this one with, it's the middle one, okay? It's this one. Okay, anyways, so I'm using this one, and this one. Okay, I'm just gonna roll up these sleeves and get to work. Actually, I take that back. I'm not taking that one. I'm taking that one. The red, called Hunts. This is literally 3 minutes of footage of me just contemplating which eyeshadow to use first. I'm surprised people watch me. Anyways, oh my god, I didn't prime my eyelid. Oh. So like, if you guys know anything about me, I don't really believe in eye primer because I don't think it does anything. So we use concealer in this house. Sorry, not sorry, it does the same thing. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna take that and I'm going to put it in my crease. And then we're gonna take a darker color right now and we're gonna put it right here. It's okay if it's not like crazy blended. It's okay. I'm going to take this like purpley-ish like red. Just going to put that right like on the outer V. I think that's what it's called. And we're just gonna blend that in. Oh, I love when I disappear.
Rise and shine.
Just kind of like blend that in like this. It's okay if this looks messy. We're trying to be a clown. I don't think it gets messier than that. Like brush like this where it's kind of like domey. I don't know how to explain that, but it's more compact, so, and smaller. I have that same color and I'm gonna just put that right in here. I'm sorry, I am not a beauty guru. I am literally just trying to show you guys my makeup routine. Now for this last part, you need to be very careful, very precise. We're going to grab the same brush because, you know, I have like 3 brushes, so. And we're going to grab that color. So we're going to grab this one, like a dot of it. 2 of this. In the same spots that you've been putting every eyeshadow, which is the corners. So I went and did the other eye off camera, and I realized that I forgot to do this at the beginning, but I'm going to grab a brush like this. I'm going to grab a kind of like bone colored shadow. So I'm so bad at explaining things, oh my god. So just put it right below your brow bone. This is actually, oh my god, like I was saying, but you couldn't see. I'm going to grab this bone colored shadow and I'm just going to put it right underneath my eyebrow. Oh, and yeah, I cleaned it up. And I just look really bad up close, and it's just like, what do I do? But anyways, I literally just looked at this like there was gonna be a mirror in there. We're going to do this part, the halo eye. It's not a halo eye, this is so bad. And I'm just going to ever so slightly just go like, look up, and that's where we're going. Now I'm going to grab that one and I'm going to grab it on the brush like this, and I'm going to tap it into the center like so. I'm also trying to talk slower because every time I film, it is a nightmare to edit. Because I'll say something stupid as hell, and then I'll say something relevant right after, like immediately right after. And like editing it is so hard because I have to cut it like right down the middle, and like part of the word comes... This rant itself is not making any sense. Oh my god, my contact almost just like dried out because it like... That's a little concerning. I just realized I'm not being that entertaining in this video, and I hope I can save that by editing, because if you're not here to laugh at me, then I don't really know why you're here, because I know damn well you're not learning anything. But I really appreciate it. I'm like diffusing the edges so that it's not all this that like reddish pink color that I added. So if there's one thing I'm really bad at when it comes to makeup, it is winged eyeliner. Like, I really suck. So, I might be a little silent for this, but, I hope you understand why. So I'm just gonna make like a really it's gonna make it pretty long and pretty dramatic. It's okay because it's Halloween, okay? It's okay. So I'll just like speed this up so you don't have to watch me struggle for that long, but you get the point, you know? It's just, it's a line and then you connect it. If you're gonna learn winged eyeliner, you're not gonna learn it from me. I'm just gonna clean that up a little bit, and then I'm going to do the other eye off camera because this eye was stressful enough. Cleaning up your eyeliner has a lot of power. Like, you saw that shitty blocky ass Roblox Minecraft ass wing that I used to have? Look at it now. It's still bad, but it's like better bad, you know? And as you can see, we're already looking scarier than the average human being. Wait, that's not the makeup, that's just my face. Now we're going to do the fun stuff. I'm going to show you how to do this. Let me explain this. So I'm staring straight at the mirror. So I see where my iris starts and where it ends, and slightly elongate that a little. And towards the end, you just kind of start tapering it, so you just kind of go like with your brush like back and forth like that. Now just do the same on the other side. So now we are back, and this is just the first step. So for this part, I think I'm going to grab like a kind of like angled brush. I have like 3 of these. I don't really know how I got 3 of these. I've only ever bought 1 in my life. And I'm going to grab the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that right below the eyeliner like that. Oh, I almost dropped this. Yeah, you see how it just looks a little bit more like defined and like pronounced? I'm gonna connect that black eyeshadow to the wing and also to the front of the eye like that. So I'm just gonna continue to taper that to the end until it looks like that. Ew! But yeah, I'm just fixing this side because I kind of fucked it up a little, but yeah. So for the top part, we're pretty much doing the same thing. Make a line right, like, just do the same thing, but up here. Basically, we're just gonna do that, and then we're gonna diffuse it with eyeshadow in a second. My biggest solution when I mess something up is just make it thicker, and I think that's what's gonna end up happening. Like, holy shit, that is really bad. Oh my god, that is so ugly. Ew! Oopsies. So we're just going to grab some concealer and pretend like it never happened. I really might just remove this with makeup remover. Like, this looks so bad. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna remove that. That's just, there's no saving this. Well. This looks so bad. Like, it looks like it's just my eyebrow just went whoop. And then this looks like a freaking hair is just like extending.
Hey, it's going this way. Like, no, I'm fucking trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like whoop. Like, no, go do. What the fuck?
Oh well. I'm gonna do the other eye. Ever so slightly. It'll just go up a little tiny bit. And then we are going to grab the black eyeshadow. I'm going to slightly clean it up a bit. I'm just putting on some chapstick because we're about to put on some liquid lipstick on, and this shit is drying as hell. I suck at putting on lipstick, so this is not gonna go well either. Has anything gone well this video? No. So now that it looks like, you know, your daily lipstick application, we're going to clean it up a lot. It's a really good tutorial, you know, to go pick up your kids from school. Honestly, you could use this for everything. Because it's so natural and so wearable. No. I'm just cleaning it up a little right now. With a little small brush and some concealer. You know, when I had this video in mind, I was like,
I'm trying to make it more like cute rather than scary.
I don't think that happened. This is terrifying. I finally fixed my mouth. So now I'm just going to put some blush on, and I'm going to put a lot of it on. That looks cute. You know, just a wearable everyday, pick up the kids from school, go to get some groceries type of look, you know. So now I'm about to put on the signature clown red nose. I'm going to grab this black thing eyeliner on the tip of my nose like that. I don't look like a dog, to be honest. Now with my finger, I'm just going to grab that pink eyeshadow we put on and just, how cute, a clown.
¿Y no sale todo el mugrero que está atrás de ti?
Wow.
That's the look for today. I guess I'm just a little rusty. I haven't done Halloween makeup since Halloween. And last Halloween I was 6'9". Being 6'9" was actually pretty lit. Like, it was not hard to do. But yeah, this is how this turned out. If you saw this in your room, would you cry? No, if you saw this in your room, you'd probably laugh. You'd be like, okay, I'm going back to bed. Ew, why do I look like that? Look like Momo. I kind of look like some girls in my classes. I hope this was worth watching. I hope maybe you learned something. You probably didn't. Yeah, if you
have any like suggestions,
like, please leave them in the description, in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking however long this took out of your day to watch. Have a great day. I'll hopefully maybe see you in the next video. You're probably like unsubscribed, and if you weren't even subscribed, you probably clicked off like 10 minutes ago. My parents are like arguing in the background. Oh, and it's really obnoxious. Can they like stop it? I love how I look like a whole ass demon with like Jesus Christ and like La Virgencita like right behind me.
Jesus Christ! Put on! Put on God! Jesus Christ!
Anyways, I'm gonna go now. You're tired of me. You've already clicked off. I don't really know who I'm talking to right now. But yeah. Bye. Let's go show my grandma. Mira, abuelita, qué bonita me pinte. Bien chula, me va, parece que voy a ir a mi quinceañera.